Honda is set to expand its popular CB1000 Hornet lineup in 2026 with the introduction of the new CB1000GT, a high-spec sports tourer designed to blend long-distance comfort with dynamic performance. The GT is powered by the familiar 1000cc DOHC Inline-4 engine, producing an impressive 147.6 brake horsepower at 11,000 RPM and 102 Nm of torque at 8,750 RPM. This engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, with ratios in 2nd through 5th optimized for strong acceleration, while 6th serves as an overdrive gear for relaxed motorway cruising. A 21-liter fuel tank ensures extended range, and an assist/slipper clutch provides smoother downshifts under hard braking. In terms of chassis design, the CB1000GT uses a Dynon-style steel frame adapted from the Hornet, designed to feel narrow between the rider's legs for improved comfort and control. The swingarm has been extended from 619mm to 635mm to enhance stability, particularly when carrying a passenger or luggage, and the subframe has been strengthened and lengthened to support touring duties. The GT tips the scales at a curb weight of 229 kilograms, while seat height sits at 825mm, made possible by a new seat that's 15mm thicker for the rider and nearly 40mm wider for the pillion. The CB1000GT comes generously equipped as standard, with rear panniers, 37-liter left and 28-liter right, cruise control, heated grips, hand guards, a center stand, and a quick shifter all included. The bike's 5-inch TFT display offers mobile connectivity and access to a full suite of lean-sensitive electronic aids, controlled via backlit switches on the left-hand bar. A major highlight is the inclusion of Showa ERA electronic suspension, which continuously adjusts damping based on inputs from a 6-axis IMU, speed data, and fork-stroke sensors. These adjustments occur every 15 milliseconds for optimal ride quality and stability. Riders can choose from 4 preset damping modes: Standard, Sport, Rain, and Tour, as well as a user mode for personalized tuning. Front preload remains manually adjustable, but the rear can be adjusted electronically through 24 stages, even while riding. The GT's aerodynamic bodywork and 5-stage adjustable screen, with 81mm of travel, have been developed to enhance comfort and weather protection. Braking is handled by twin 310mm floating discs and radially mounted Nissin 4-piston calipers, supported by cornering ABS. Wheel sizes remain classic for a road-focused sport tourer, with 17-inch rims front and rear, wrapped in 120/70 and 180/55 tires respectively. The electronic suite is equally comprehensive, offering 3 selectable power levels, adjustable engine braking, and Honda selectable torque control, which can be fully disabled for riders who prefer a more direct connection to the rear wheel. The bike also offers 4 riding modes: Standard, Sport, Rain, and Tour, plus a user mode that allows full customization of performance parameters. With its mix of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, the 2026 Honda CB1000GT looks set to deliver an ideal balance of touring practicality and sporty engagement, making it a compelling choice for riders seeking both long-distance comfort and dynamic thrills.